Hello, dear viewers. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the top 5 SSDs for the PS5. If you're looking to expand your PS5 storage and take your gaming experience to the next level, this video is just for you. The SSDs we're showcasing today not only load your games faster, but also significantly boost your console's performance. By the end of the video, you'll discover which one is the most suitable for you. We'll evaluate the price-performance ratio and take a close look at the unique features each SSD offers. If you want to elevate your PS5 gaming experience, don't miss this video. So, without further ado, let's dive in and explore the best SSDs for the PS5 together. Number 5. PNY XLR8 SSD Gaming Kit. I am here to introduce you to one of the fastest and most affordable PS5-compatible drives, the PNY XLR8 SSD Gaming Kit. Thanks to its consistent performance, this drive, while no longer the best in the Gen 4.0 world, still stands out as one of the best PS5 SSDs on the market. If you're looking for significantly more storage for the best PS5 games, the PNY XLR8 SSD Gaming Kit is definitely for you. If you're worried about having enough space to download titles from the PS Plus game catalog to your machine, this SSD could be the solution to make the most out of your existing titles. The PNY XLR8 SSD Gaming Kit is also quite fast in transferring data from the PS5's internal storage. For example, larger games like God of War Ragnarok with a file size of 84.20 GB are written to the CS3140 in just 1 minute and 35 seconds. That's less time than it takes for your tea to brew. This kit provides everything you need to safely install an M2 SSD into your PS5. With a large aluminum block, it ensures both thermal distribution and acts as a thicker replacement for the stock M2 cover that comes with the console. This is a perfect solution for keeping the drive more secure and dissipating heat. Additionally, it fits perfectly to the metal thanks to the thermal adhesive pad, allowing for maximum airflow. Number 4. Adata XPG Gammix S70 Blade. Today, I'm introducing one of the best SSDs for the PS5, the Adata XPG Gammix S70 Blade. If you're on a budget but still looking for a high-performance SSD, this product is perfect for you. The Adata XPG Gammix S70 Blade has been a pioneer among budget-friendly SSDs since the PS5's release. Despite its low price, you can still enjoy Gen 4.0 NVMe speeds. This SSD offers strong performance with its modest price tag and significantly reduces your game loading times. The SSD comes with a cooler included in the package. This plastic adhesive pad cooler doesn't feel very solid, but it does its job well enough. With the Adata XPG Gammix S70 Blade, game loading times are incredibly fast. For example, the Dead Space remake loads you into the game in just 3 seconds. Deathloop and Death Stranding also offer impressive load times, around 5 seconds from the menu to the game. This speed is even better than the internal storage. For capacity, the 1 TB option provides the best price per gigabyte and offers a budget-friendly price point. If you're considering 2 TB or more storage, it might be worthwhile to look at higher-end alternatives, as prices may be a bit higher. Number 3. Lexar SSD NM790. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the Lexar NM790, a PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD that is perfect in every way. This SSD is designed to work great in your laptop, desktop, or PS5. Whether you want to play your favorite game or create large, high-resolution files, the Lexar NM790 will help you do just that. With its M2 2280 PCIe Gen 4x4 heatsink, this SSD offers incredible speeds of 7400 DAOS MBS read and 6500 MBS write, thanks to PCIe Gen 4 technology with HMB 3.0 and dynamic SLC cache. This means it's compatible with desktops, laptops, and PlayStation 5, providing you with speed and efficiency no matter what you're doing. The Lexar NM790 is a pleasant surprise with its new hardware that competes even with high-end PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSDs. By combining 4 TB of TLC in a slim, single-sided design, it avoids typical compromises and trade-offs. If you want a lot of fast, efficient storage for your laptop, desktop, or PS5, this SSD is worth a look. The NM790 comes in 4 capacities ranging from 512 GB to 4 TB and is competitively priced for a PCIe 4.0 SSD with its rated speeds. While many SSDs max out at 2 TB, the NM790 offers a more affordable price per gigabyte, even at the 4 TB model. This SSD is definitely an option not to be overlooked for those seeking high performance and large storage capacity. Number 2. WD Black SN850. Let me introduce you to the WD Black SN850, an SSD optimized for high-end gaming experiences. This SSD starts at $129.99 for the 500 GB model, while the tested 1 TB model with a heatsink is available for $249.99, and it does not disappoint. The WD Black SN850 is equipped with next-generation PCIe Gen 4 technology and offers incredibly fast read-write speeds of up to 7,5300 Mbps and up to 1,000 IOPs. With 1 TB and 2 TB models, it elevates high-end gaming performance to the next level. It provides up to 2 TB of capacity to store your favorite battle-ready games, and its sleek heatsink model minimizes thermal throttling to push performance limits. Additionally, this SSD is compatible with PlayStation 5 consoles, though PS5 system software version 21.02 W04 and 0.00 or later is required. The SN850 is available with or without a heatsink. Our test model came with a heatsink, making it ideal for desktop PC or PS5 use. The heatsink's finned and large design is a great option for desktop use. The WD Black SN850, with its latest PCIe Gen 4 performance, is a beast of an SSD competing with Samsung's 980 PRO. If you have the budget, it is an excellent choice for gamers and tech enthusiasts looking for top-tier, high-quality storage. Number 1. Samsung 990 Pro. Introducing the Samsung 990 Pro. This slim SSD meets the PCI SIG D8 standard, making it a perfect fit for both desktops and laptops. But the real excitement lies in its superior performance for PS5 and direct storage PC games. The 990 Pro offers up to a 65% improvement in random performance, allowing your games to load faster. With 40% faster random read and 55% faster random write speeds compared to the 980 Pro, this SSD can reach up to 1400K, 1550K IOPS. Additionally, sequential read-write speeds go up to 7,450, 6,900 Mbps, approaching the maximum performance of PCIe 4.0. Performance isn't just about speed. The 990 PRO delivers up to 50% better performance per watt compared to the 980 PRO, enabling you to use less power while achieving more efficiency. This means you can maintain optimal power efficiency even during long gaming marathons. What about overheating? Samsung's nickel-coated controller, combined with the heatsink, provides effective thermal control, preventing sudden performance drops due to overheating. Moreover, the 990 PRO's model with a heatsink is slim enough to fit into a Sony PlayStation 5 and easily meets Sony's usage criteria for the PS5. However, Samsung recommends not removing the heatsink, as it is secured with 4 small adjustment screws. And that brings us to the end of this video. Today, we reviewed the top 5 SSDs for PS5 and other devices. Each one offers unique features and performance in its own category, so deciding which one is best for you is entirely up to you. I hope this video has helped you find the SSD that best fits your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you can stay updated with our latest videos. Feel free to share your thoughts on these SSDs and let us know which products you'd like to see in future videos in the comments section.